I have to show it to you, right? Why? That is a big donation. 25 pounds of pet food. And let me show you why. Go ahead, Charlie. Let me show you why. So, Victor donates 25 pounds of pet food to largest pet food bank in Minneapolis. And this was today. I found this article May 8th, 2025. And let's read a little bit. Victor Pet Food, a mid-America pet food brand known for high-quality pet nutrition, recently had the opportunity to support pet families in need. The Victor team delivered 25 pounds of Victor dog